Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today we're gonna cook one of my favorite breakfast of all times. It's the French toast. It's very easy to cook. All you need is some bread, some eggs and some milk and some sugar to make the custard. It is one of the most simplest recipes that you could make at home and it's such a fun to make it. So here we go. First, you begin the process by adding 2 large eggs onto a bowl. Make sure the eggs are fresh. Then you gotta add a half a teaspoon of brown sugar, again 2 half teaspoons, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, which is perfect for this dish. And then you gotta have half a cup of whole milk to the bowl, and you mix it well so the custard is silky smooth, and it's my favorite process. And then you're gonna transfer that to a flat surface. I'm using a casserole bowl, and yeah, you add some butter to a pan. Make sure the butter doesn't burn. Keep it at a low flame. Traditionally you do it with a thick slice. I'm using a thin slice over here, so for a thick slice you dip it on 30 seconds and then you turn it 3 times. Now carefully lift it up without breaking the bread and place it on to the stove. Cook until you get those perfect pattern of crispy golden brown and this silky smooth. Do it for the second batch, and yeah, immediately add butter once it's out of the pan so it gives that extra flavor. Top it off with strawberry and drizzle it off with powdered sugar. And traditionally you would do maple syrup, but I'm using honey as it's a more healthier option, and I love honey. I don't know why. It's my favorite thing with French toast. Wow. It felt so good. And there we go. We have the taste test. And yeah. Oh, guys, you have to be there. It felt so good once I had it in my mouth. It has been one of my favorite dish throughout childhood. The fresh smell of the toast and with some fruits and some honey. My God, it's so good. It has to be soft at the center and a little crispier at the edge, so you would have the best taste of the bread. And yeah, it's unbeatable. I hope you guys loved my dish, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes. See you guys. Bye bye.